Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I make videos and sometimes they're good. Today's video is my favorite video of the month. I'm so excited. I clearly don't need this, what's about to happen right now, but we all need to embrace the fact that I'm gonna go crazy for like 15 minutes. If you have seen my channel before, you know that this video is my Sips by Tea unboxing. This is my favorite video every month because I get to try 4 brand new teas. And if you haven't heard about Sips by, I'll have a bunch of information for you in the description box below, along with a link to your personal tea quiz so you can get started on getting this box. It's amazing. Totally worth the $15. Actually, I'm so surprised that it's not more than $15 a month because you get 4 different teas and several of the 4 different teas. If you want me to tell you more information about them, I go in depth a little bit further in my past 2 tea unboxing videos, so I'll link those down below for you guys to check out as well. But yeah. So without me rambling any further, I'm going to get right into the tea. I am so excited for this month's box. I may have already taken a sneak peek because I've had it for a week and I've just not been able to film. Alright you guys, let's get into all the amazing teas. Alright, so as always, you open the box up like so, and you get your little card. It's actually usually flipped the other way, but I'm awful and I couldn't put it back in. So this is my October teas. So the box is so cute every time. I'm obsessed with it, but I love that they include this card and they say made for Megan right on the top, along with all the directions for all of the different teas that you got and exactly what temperature to heat them to, how long to steep them, all of that fun stuff. And it also includes the amount of caffeine that they hold, which is always fun for me to look at because I consume a lot of caffeine in a day, and it's like, oh, guess how hype I'm gonna be after this. Let's try some teas. So as always, you always get disposable bags every month. I have so many of these now, but they come in handy for when you want to brew a loose leaf tea. Boom. And you don't have to get loose leaf teas if you don't want to, but I really like the loose leaf teas. I think they have a little bit more flavor. So the first tea this month is going to be the Ahista Tea Harvest Apple tea. And this one looks like this. It comes in this little bag. It's a loose leaf tea. It steeps for 5 minutes. It has rooibos, don't know what that word is, apple, cinnamon, cloves, ginger, stevia, natural, and natural identical flavor. And this one is caffeine-free. No fun, but whatever. But yeah, this is a really classic autumn tea. Actually, my mom might like this one. But I'm gonna give it a try. Normally I don't like a cinnamon apple flavor. I'm not a huge fan of that, but I'm still gonna try it for you guys. Alright, and now we'll just let that steep for 5 minutes. Ooh, wait, ready? This is gonna be a cool shot. Ready? What color is it gonna be? What color is it gonna be? Or maybe it won't be a color. Maybe it's just gonna stay like that. That would be really frustrating. Next up, we have the honey lemon matcha tea from Tipson Tea. We've had Tipson Tea before in our box. Tipson Tea is actually really good. I really enjoyed the last one I got from them, so I'm excited to see what this one is. And also, honey lemon matcha might really help my throat right now. This one is a medium caffeine tea. And it's already pre-bagged, so that's nice, really easy to use. You can also pour it over ice too. So, and then all of these actually have coupon codes with them, and I personally have a coupon code with Sips by, so you can get $5 off your first box. All of this information will be in the description box below for you to check out more in depth. This one is honestly just organic matcha, organic green tea, organic lemongrass, natural lemon, and honey flavor. So fun. Okay, so this one only steeps for 3 to 5 minutes. I'm probably gonna do 5 minutes because I like my tea strong. Open sesame. This is what it looks like, by the way. Alrighty, this one's gonna be green too. I always have a weird thing about matcha, but it'll be fine. Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot to do the thing again. Yeah, this one's really gonna be green. Womp, 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 womp. Alright, so we'll let that one steep. And then moving on, the next one is another Earl Grey. Earl Grey is my favorite kind of tea. I love it so much. I drink it almost every single day. So this one is going to be from Ahmad Tea. It is just black tea and bergamot. And this one is a British business, so that's cool. And oh, they supply tea for the royal collection, including Buckingham Palace. I feel fancy. Maybe I should put my mermaid crown on this for this one because it's royal. Okay, so Earl Grey tea, high caffeine as always. But yeah, so let's do that one. And this one is pre-bagged as well. If you think I'm not gonna sit like this for a while, you're wrong. Obvi's just gonna be a black tea, so it's gonna turn brown. Look at that. All right. We don't have any purple teas this time. I've gotten like fruity teas the last couple of months, but I don't have any of those this time. The last tea we have in this box is the Minty Mojito Mate from KITTEN. It looks like this guy right here. That's really cute packaging. I like that a lot. And this one has organic yerba mate, organic peppermint, natural lime flavoring. So this is like a mojito, which I'm not a huge fan of mojito. But I'll definitely still try it. It's very high caffeine. Yes. And it could do, it says try it over ice, but I'm into teas that are warm. So yeah, and they're at the Tea Kitten on Instagram. I'll have all of their Instagrams, look below. And yeah, so that is that. That's the last tea. Oh my gosh, let's make it. Let's see what color it's gonna be. Oh, I hope it's green. Whoa, that smells like alcohol. All right, let's put it in. Let's see. Bam. Get in there, little bag, please. It won't sink. Well, we'll see what that looks like in a minute. All right, so it has been over 5 minutes. I'd probably oversteep these teas, but who cares? It's still going to taste good. The first one, again, was that Harvest Apple. Look at it. It turned such a pretty color. It looks like apple juice. Yep, really getting the cinnamon and ginger in there, so let's give it a taste. That is not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I thought I was going to get the most strong apple cinnamon flavor, which I hate. I hate that combination. But this is really good. This is really good. Oh. And I have to state this in every video that I make about tea. I know nothing about tea. I only tell you how I like them, and that's it. There's no knowledge going into this whatsoever. That one is really good, guys. That is so good. Like, you wouldn't need to add any sugar or milk or anything to this. You could just drink it plain. Oh, that is good. Let's try out the Matcha Honey Lemon. I've never had a honey lemon tea, even though it's been recommended to me a lot as of lately, just because I am sick. Ooh, it smells like my favorite kind of candle. It kind of tastes like watered down Pez flavoring, if that makes any sense. You know, like the lemon Pez? Like, I'll put it right here, but I used to love Pez so much. Comment down below what your favorite flavor of Pez is. Yeah, I literally just taste like a little bit of the lemongrass in there. It smells like a lemon verbena candle. I like this one too. I always end up liking the ones that I don't think I'm gonna like. This is why this kind of box is so good, because it really opens you up to trying new teas. Like, really getting into more than what you're usually into. Like, I usually just drink Earl Grey, but with this, I get to try so many other teas. Moving on, we have our Earl Grey. Let's give this a little stir here. Get it all riled up. Whoop whoop. I love an Earl Grey. Earl Grey tastes the same every time, but I continue to chug every glass. Yep, still good. Love this. This is like your classic Earl Grey tea, except this is that royal one that the Queen drinks. Does this mean the Queen and I are best friends? Because I think it does. I wish I had a microphone right now because the gulp sounds I'm making are insane and the ASMR nerds of the world would love it. Alright, I have been putting this last tea off because I think it's gonna be gross and I don't think I'm gonna like it, but the time has come. Let's try this. Oh god, I'm not ready for this at all. This looks like pee in a glass. It looks like pee. Oh my god. It literally smells like alcohol. It literally gives me war flashbacks. I don't like this. I don't want to try it, but I gotta. Oh, thank God it does not taste like alcohol. Oh, praise the Lord. I don't like the smell of it at all, but the taste is not bad. Don't like the aftertaste of that one. Bleh, bleh. Oh, there was one other one that I've tried before that just had the worst aftertaste where I was like, every time. And this is like that. I don't, not a fan. Alright, so I'd say the clear winner for me this month is the Harvest Apple Ahista Tea, which is not what I thought was going to be the outcome. But then after that, I would say the Earl Grey, then the Pez tea, or the Matcha Lemon and Honey tea that is now named the Pez tea by me. And then last is going to be the Tea Kitten one. The Mojito, I can't. The aftertaste is just awful. So this one is going to go on the no list for me, but I thank Sips By for letting me try it. So I clearly have rambled enough about all of these different teas, and I have enjoyed testing out this month's box. October did very good, and I can't wait to see what they send for November. I'm very ready for it. Next month, oh my god, next month is November and I turn 23. Thank you so much for watching this video. As always, there will be another Sips By tea unboxing in November, so make sure you get that notification bell on so you can see that video. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.